Hello aliens, welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki. So for today's video, we are going to unbox one of the accessories of Vivo. This is Vivo TWS Earphone Neo. Ayan. This is the item. Ayan. So they have two colors, which is starry blue and white. So I choose this color. It's starry blue since my phone is color like this. It's color block, and the other one is color blue. So it's matched with my phone. So we are going to unbox this. Short background lang. How I purchased this item. I contact Miss Adi Aguilar, Miss Sarah, yeah, from Facebook. So she ordered through online, and I saw the post of Vivo that they already on sale on this item. So I just contact Miss Sarah to if she could purchase this in Thailand. It should be I just buy this in Philippines or in Thailand, but still the border closed and I cannot go to Philippines. So ayun, buti na lang na-purchase niya through online. So thank you so much. Actually, yung price nito, original price I think is 5,000 peso and around yeah. So na-purchase po natin to in just only 2,999 Thai baht. So around 4,500 na din yon. Mas cheap, yeah, in Thailand. So we are going to unbox this. So tara na. Simulan na natin. So yeah.
A few moments later.
To open this, kailangan natin ng scissor. Ayan, i-open na natin. Naka-plastic pa kasi. Babala. Oh my God. Ito na yan. Ayan. Oh my God. Guys, actually, ito, it's a gift na din for myself. Actually, oh my God, ito siya. Ayan. See? Oh my God, this is it. Hirap siya. Ayaw niyang pa-open. Ayan. Ang color nito is starry blue. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan. So, wala pa. Ito pa lang siya. Vivo TWS Earphone Neo. Ayan. So, focus natin. Ayan. So guys, this is the item. Tanan! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Shucks! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ito siya. Ayan. Ayan guys ha. Ito yung item guys. Oh my God, ito yung Vivo ko. Wait, may gun siya. Guys, ito yung Vivo ko na So, ka-color niya. Ayan. It's Vivo Y31. So, ayan. So, wait, dito muna to. Dito na muna. So, ang laman nito ay, okay. This is the Vivo TWS Earphone Neo user manual. Ayan. Then, warranty card. Since online natin ng ano, I don't know kung pwede natin ipapalit to. Pero magagamit siguro natin. So, ito yung item, guys. Oh my god. Ito yung item. Tada! Oh my god, ang ganda. Oh my god. Tada! Ito na siya. Ay, may ilaw agad. Guys, dito nyo. Iyo lang. Ang cute, shucks. Oh my god, ang ganda. Ito siya. Oh my god. Oh my god, ako na oh my god. Kasi, oh my god talaga. Hello? Hello, Char? Wait, i-check natin. Taka lang. Ayan guys, i-connect natin sa ano, sa Bluetooth. Ayan, na-on na din yung Bluetooth natin. So, na-call niya agad. Eto. Ayun yung first, Vivo TWS Neo. So, we will just connect. Ayan, pairing na siya. Pairing. Ayan, tumunog. Ano? In use for call, media, and alam, may 30%. So, hindi siya fully charged. So, oh my god. Ito siya. Try natin sa birthday celebration in YouTube. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, ang ganda. May ad siya. Guys, please do subscribe my channel. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Tignan natin yung other function and operation of this earphone. So, ayan. So, ulit natin. So, for incoming calls, double tap the touch control area on the earphone. So, dito daw. Volume adjustment. Slide up or down on the touch control area of the earphones to adjust the volume. So, ayan. So, we need to slide up or down. So, we will just check if it's working. I have to check this. Ayan, dito na lang. Sa print screen, i-record ko na lang guys. So, we were going to watch our our Vivo. So, skip na lang natin guys. Skip na lang yung ating ads. Wait, ganyan siya. Medyo mahina pa siya ha. So, try natin i-slide up or down. So, makikita niyo siguro sa screen niya kung tataas ba yung volume. So, hindi ko lang, ito yung volume niya. Hindi ko hahawakan guys ha. So, try natin. Scroll up natin. So, again, nakikita nyo, i-slide up natin. Tumataas yung tumataas siya. So, slide down natin. Adjust yung volume. So, try din natin sa kabila guys. Ayan. Scroll down. Slide down. Then slide up. So, nag-increase yung volume. OMG. So, sabi niya dito, paano naman pag double tap? Magpo-pause kaya to? So, nag-pause nga. Ayan, double tap, optional function including play, pause, preview song, next song, waking up, the Google Assistant, etc. Double tap by factory default by play and pause. So, ayan, isang coin din nga dito. On Vivo phones that support custom touch settings, slide and double tap. Ayan, may mga... grabe, it's a... Wait, i-play natin ulit. Ayan, double tap lang guys. Ito, double tap mo lang, mag-play na ulit. Or double tap. Ayan. 1, 2. Ay, double tap, mabilis dapat. Ayan, nag-stop guys. Nag-stop siya. OMG, ang ganda. Oo. It's cost 2,999 baht. Ayan. Grabe. Ang ganda. So, eto siya. Ito yung pinapangarap ko talaga na accessories ng Vivo phone ko. So, grabe. So, it's highly recommended sa mga may Vivo. Guys, yung mga Vivo user dyan, it's highly recommended to buy this one. Ayan, ganda. Super, super satisfied ako. It's one of best gift for myself also. Etong TWS Neo earphone. Ayan. So, hope you like this video. Ito na, yan ko na lang tong video na to. And I hope you like this unboxing. And highly recommended this accessory. So, ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Bandongzki. And see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye!